Okay, this video is regarding Zoho Books and it concerns the Recurring Invoices section. So this would be particularly useful if you have a recurring revenue. So it could be a commission or it could be a subscription-based service that you just want to send an invoice out every month or every week for a particular client. So if you go to sales and you go to your recurring invoices down here, we can set up a new recurring invoice. So we choose our customer and we could say this monthly repeat of 2025. So we want this to repeat every month and we want it to repeat on the 1st of the month. And we're going to get this to expire on the 31st of December. So what this means is that from April all the way through to December on the 1st of every single month, then this invoice will repeat. So you can fill in the necessary details. So we can call this a subscription if you wanted to. Add your VAT. And then hit save down the bottom. So immediately what it's saying here is that we have our invoice and it's saying that recurring invoices profile begin on the 1st of April 2025. Now I'm working a little bit later tonight, so it's 20 to 8. So that means that on 20 to 8 on the 1st of April, this will get or generate an invoice. When we have a number of invoices that have been created, the activities will actually sit down here and it will just immediately keep telling you which invoice has been created to give you that timeline so you can see exactly what has been entered. If you need to generate your invoice now, because you can't wait until the 1st of April, you can just hit create invoice here. And we say this one here is for the 1st of April. And you can hit save as, we can save as draft. Here we go. And then we can mark that as sent. Typically you would send this as an email out, but now your recurring invoices here, you can see here that an invoice has been created. And here immediately it gives you your payment. So all your child invoices will appear here for every single month. Okay.